Hey, welcome back. Ahrefs or Semrush. If you're doing SEO in 2026, this is probably the most important tool decision you'll make. And it's not just about which one has more features. I've been using both tools hands-on, and I'm going to break down exactly where each one wins with real numbers. No generic comparisons. Quick favor before we start hit. Like right now, if you find these breakdowns useful, it genuinely helps. Let's get into it. Overview. 2 sentences each because you probably already know what these are. Ahrefs is a focused SEO powerhouse. Its whole identity is built around the deepest backlink index and the most accurate organic search data in the industry. Semrush is a full digital marketing suite, SEO, PPC, social media, content marketing, local SEO, all in one platform. Massive breadth, but that comes with a learning curve and a higher price tag. That one difference shapes everything else in this comparison. Keyword research. Both tools have enormous databases. Ahrefs has 28.7 billion keywords across 217 locations. Semrush has 27.9 billion across 142 locations. Ahrefs is bigger globally. But here's the nuance. If you're targeting American audiences, Semrush gives you significantly more US keyword data, 3.8 billion US. Keywords versus Ahrefs, 2.5 billion. Ahrefs has a killer feature called traffic potential. Instead of raw search volume, it estimates how much traffic the top ranking page actually gets, accounting for featured snippets and ads stealing clicks. That's a much more honest number. Semrush counters with its keyword magic tool better for intent clustering, SERP feature tracking, and finding keyword groups for content pillars. Winner, Semrush for US markets and content clustering, Ahrefs for global SEO and traffic accuracy. Backlink analysis. This is Ahrefs' home turf. It maintains the industry's largest index, 500 million referring domains versus Semrush's 390 million. And critically, Ahrefs updates their backlink index every 15 minutes. That's real-time intelligence for link building campaigns. Ahrefs also shows you which backlinks actually drive traffic, not just domain authority. That changes your outreach priorities completely. Semrush has strong backlink audit tools that integrate directly with Google Search Console for disavow workflows, better for toxic link cleanup. Winner, Ahrefs for link building and competitor research, Semrush for link auditing and toxic link removal. Rank tracking. Semrush provides daily rank updates so you immediately spot ranking changes. Ahrefs on its light plan only updates weekly. Daily tracking on Ahrefs requires higher tier plans. Semrush also tracks rankings across Google, Bing, and Baidu. Ahrefs is primarily Google focused. But Ahrefs added something powerful. Its rank tracker now monitors positions within AI overviews, tracking whether you appear in positions 1, 2, or 3 inside Google's AI summaries. That's critical in 2026 when AI overviews dominate the SERP. Winner, Semrush for daily freshness and multi-engine tracking. Ahrefs for AI overview position tracking. Site audit and technical SEO. Semrush's site audit categorizes issues into errors, warnings, and notices with thematic reports organized by crawlability, core web vitals, HTTPS, and internal linking. Very structured and thorough. Ahrefs' audit is cleaner and faster to navigate, but less granular. Where it wins is the broken backlinks report. You can immediately see which 404 pages still have backlinks pointing to them and redirect them for quick wins. Winner, Semrush for depth. Ahrefs for speed and actionable quick wins. Beyond SEO, PPC, social, and content. This is where the comparison stops being even. Semrush has 55 plus tools covering SEO, PPC, social media, content marketing, local SEO, market research, and competitor intelligence. It even has an MCP connector that feeds Semrush data directly into AI workflows. Ahrefs doesn't touch PPC. No social media tools, no local SEO suite, it's SEO, and that's it. If you run paid ads alongside SEO, Semrush wins by default because Ahrefs simply doesn't play in that space. Winner, Semrush, and it's not close. Pricing the number that changes everything. Ahrefs starts at $29 month with their starter plan. Semrush's entry-level pro plan starts at $139.95 month. That's a $110 month gap at the bottom. At mid-tier though, prices converge. Ahrefs, standard at $249, month is nearly identical to Semrush Guru at $249.95 month. One important caveat, Ahrefs moved to a credit-based pricing model for new users. Most reports consume credits, and heavy users can hit limits fast. Semrush charges a flat rate regardless of usage volume. Winner, Ahrefs for budget-conscious SEO-only users. Semrush for teams that need unlimited usage and broader tools. Pick Ahrefs if you are primarily focused on organic SEO and link building. Do a lot of international or global keyword research. Want the most accurate backlink data and real-time index updates? Are a freelancer or small team? The $29 starter plan is a real entry point. Need AI overview tracking built into your rank tracker? Pick Semrush if you manage both SEO and PPC for clients or in-house. Need daily rank updates and multi-engine tracking? Work with local SEO campaigns. Run an agency that needs white label reporting and content workflows. Want one platform to replace multiple subscriptions? And here's the professional reality. Many agencies run both tools simultaneously: Semrush for keyword research and competitive analysis, Ahrefs for backlink accuracy. Running both entry-level plans costs around $170 a month while covering each other's blind spots completely. That's the real comparison numbers, features, and actual use cases. No fluff. If this helped you make the call, drop a like. Seriously, takes 1 second. Subscribe if you want deep dives like this every week. And check the description, I've linked to both tools so you can try them yourself. Catch you in the next one.